Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the frustrating Forza Horizon 6 crash error code FHE01, which specifically indicates that the game has detected an unsupported or improperly configured graphics processing unit. To tackle this, we need to bypass how Windows handles your hardware priority. So begin by right-clicking your desktop and opening the Windows Graphics Settings menu. Click the Browse button, locate the main Forza Horizon 6 executable file inside your installation folder, add it to the list, click Options, and force it to High Performance so it explicitly uses your dedicated graphics card instead of an integrated chip. Next, type Device Manager into your Windows search bar and open it. Then expand the Display Adapters drop-down section. If you see an older secondary GPU or an integrated processor listed there alongside your primary card, right-click it and select Disable Device to ensure the game engine only targets your powerful main graphics card only. Finally, download the Display Driver Uninstaller tool online to completely wipe away any corrupt, lingering driver remnants from your system. Then perform a completely clean installation of the absolute latest desktop graphics driver available for your hardware. Once your PC reboots, the error code will be fully resolved. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.